Hey everyone, this is Anu. Welcome back to Treasury Crafts. In today's video, I'm going to reuse this sweet box or plastic container into a beautiful craft. So take any rectangular shaped plastic or you can even use cardboard boxes. Trace the box in a white paper. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Let me know what kind of crafts you would like to watch in the comment section below. So after tracing, fold the paper like this. And then I'm going to draw a simple design, a Jharoka style design. When you fold a paper and make a design like this, and then after cutting you will get a symmetrical design at the other side too. You will get a neat paper cutout and you can use them for tracing. Take a cardboard and place the paper cutout above it. I'm using some tape to stick it so that the paper cutout doesn't move. Trace the design. Using craft knife or thermocol cutter, cut out the design. So you will get a beautiful frame like this. To cover the cardboard holes, you can either use masking tape or newspaper pieces plus glue. You can watch my sunflower wall decor video to know how I covered the cardboard holes with newspaper pieces and glue. You can get masking tape from any craft shop. Instead of this, you can also use doctor tape that you can get it from medical shop. So inside the frame design also you can either use masking tape, otherwise you can use texture paste. I am using my homemade gesso to cover the cardboard holes. Use palette knife or ice cream stick to cover the edges so that you will get a neat finishing. I am going to apply a layer of homemade gesso. I will give the recipe link in the description box. Please check it. It primes the surface well and also makes the cardboard base stronger. Let it dry for some time. These are my homemade chalk paints. I will share the recipe soon. I am going to use my DIY chalk paint for this craft. So you can apply chalk paint directly on any surface. I am using this shade to paint that plastic container. For the frame, I am using this light shade. So this is also my homemade chalk paint. It will give a beautiful look. You can even use acrylic paints instead of this and any colors of your choice. Once dried, let's assemble them together. I am going to stick this frame above the container. Use any super glue or glue gun. I am using Fevikwik. For extra support, I am going to stick ice cream sticks around the frame. Use any super glue or glue gun to stick the ice cream sticks. Instead of this, you can also use cardboard pieces. You can leave the frame at this stage, or you can do some extra decorations. You can do stenciling, or you can do some ad clay work, something like this into the frame. So this vase made out of a vase materials. I'll post this video link in the description box. If you want, you can check it. Otherwise, you can use primed chipboards. I got this from Itsy Bitsy online store. Using super glue, I am going to stick this design at two corners of the frame. The beautiful vintage or Jharoka style frame is ready to decorate your home. To place this on the wall, I am using rope. Use cardboard or ice cream stick for the extra support. Using super glue, stick them. Here you can place any small statues and it will look very beautiful. I have placed a Buddha statue. Let me know how it looks. Or you can use any small decorative pieces inside the frame. These are my handmade vases. When you place it inside the frame, it will give a beautiful look. I hope you all loved this reuse idea. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Share this video to your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.